Yes or no?
Yummy.
Yummy lah.
Yes.
Okay, one more. You like it? Yay! Pass? Pass? 1 to 5. The score is what? 3? 4? Oh. I'm recording you. Yes? Which one is better? What's the score?
I give 3.
3?
Because it's sour and spicy.
Yes. Very good.
อันนี้มันเป็นเค็มเผ็ด
The other one.
No.
He's not giving it. You like it?
ไม่ใช่เรื่องไม่มีมัน
Oh wait. Okay, you first. How is it? Good? How is it? Two? 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? This one is number 1? Oh, Isha is number 3. 3, 3, 4. Yay.
ไม่ได้เผ็ดโตเลยใกล้อ่ะ
Yeah, you have like that here, right? Same.
Yes, we have.
You like it? First time? First time to eat Philippine food? Okay. Yay! You can stop eating. Number 2. This one. Show me, show me. This one. Okay, number 3. This one. Number 4. This one. And now last one. That is the last? The sweet?
I don't like
Okay. Okay.